Okay, this is another experiment in nRF24. Here we have a sending module. Yeah, you can see it now. And here we have the receiving module, nRF24. This Y is for screening. Seems to receive better with this type of screening. So the one on the left has been loaded on this screen. It's COM6, as you can see here, COM6. And the one on the right has been loaded to this screen. It is COM13. I think you can see that, COM13. So now this is like a second experiment with Alex Gyver. So now I will send letter T here. I will type letter T, means transmit. Oops. Sorry. So here I write letter T, start transmitting, and here I get some response. And this says that it sent a response. This is the time it took to transmit. For example, 6,000 microseconds, 2,900 microseconds. And here it sends a response that it sent a response that it got some transmission. My transmission is not very good, response time is not very good, because I suppose my nRF24 are not so good, and maybe my soldering is not so good. I'm not sure. Actually, this is a very good response, 640 microseconds, but 630 microseconds is good. But otherwise it's not so good. So then I will press R for reverse. And now we will have this one, transmit. Send T, so I write T, and I say enter. So this starts transmitting, as you can see this now. And this starts responding. So this transmits. And the one on the left responds. Transmit, respond, transmit, respond. That's all. Thank you.